Welcome to Wheels by the Ocean. Again guys, Savage Tech intercooler hoses. Let's go and fit them, yeah? This customer has requested me to fit these. The car's only got 25,000 Ks. So the intercooler hoses are completely fine on the car still, but they are a common issue. So I've already edited this video and posted it and had it ready to go on YouTube. And I didn't have an example to show you, but the two behind me both have the split intercooler hoses I'm talking about. So there's two, I'm servicing 3 today, so 2 out of 3 have that intercooler hose issue. So this is a really important thing. Go and open your bonnet and check your own car too, yeah? Just to make sure, give it a little squeezy squeeze and see if your intercooler hose is busted on this, all right? This is how common it is. I've got 2 Cannons right next to each other. This is how common it is. I'm doing services on both of these. There you go, intercooler hose. This car here has 115,000 Ks on it, right? This one needs to go back, get that replaced under warranty, or upgrade to the silicone hoses. One next to it, this one has 95,000 Ks on it. Jump in here. This one, you can already see it there. But same thing, that one's about to go pop as well. Okay, and then this one's also leaking. See that clamp I told you about? Or I'm going to tell you about, depending where I put this on the video. So this is the upgraded silicone hoses from Savage Tech. I'll show you what comes in the kit. The customer is nice enough to let me record his car getting these fitted up, okay? So they're silicone hoses. You get 2 of those, and then you get 3 of these lovely high quality hose clamps, way better than what they come with from factory. And the reason the 4th one is one of these little clippy thingies, yeah? I'll show you how it all works. We'll go and do a quick fitment. I don't have any of my recording gear with me. I'm holding the camera with my hand, so I don't know how I'm going to support it while I'm trying to show you stuff, so it's going to be a pretty crappy video, but I just wanted to show you how to fit these silicone hoses. First thing, yeah, this engine cover, just pull it up and it comes off. Put that to the side. Coming over onto the cold side, we've got one clamp here with a 7mm head on it. Undo that. Then you're going to come around to this side and you've got another one just in here, like an extension. I literally have a battery ratchet which I could have been using, but anyway. Sorry about all the background noise, lots and lots of trucks in this area. As I said, I'm just doing the service on the customer's car and they asked me if I could do these intercooler hoses. I was like, hell yeah, can I make a video about it? And down, hot side intercooler hose, you've got another clamp. See that one? Just down there. So loosen that one off as well. Then we'll have that side intercooler hose off. We've loosened off that side on the that clamp there on the cold side. Then down here, don't worry about that, that's like some body spray to stop something from rusting. I'll show you how to release this one off here. It's got a couple of little prongs that we can finger like that. See these 2 little rings? One on either side. And push those with your fingers out. Give that a shake. This is heaps easy with 2 hands, yeah? But like I said, I'm doing the recording too. There you go. Alright, so you push those out, then you can shake that and it will come right off. Mind there might be a little bit of oil inside, which, you know, that all recirculates back through the intake. As most of us know, that's why you buy a catch can, or you just deal with that. So, alright, cold side. Grab onto that one there, pull that one off, up and out. Done. There you go. There is the cold side off, and that's the clamp I was talking about. Okay, you get a new one of that whole section in the new kit. Just here, see? Alright, so I'll clean this up a little bit because a little bit of oil is trying to drip out and I don't want it dripping everywhere. And we'll put the new hoses on. So these intercooler hoses are a very common issue on these. All right, so a bit of preventative maintenance. This is the cold side intercooler hose. Sits over near your intake. Up near the top here, if you give it a squeeze, see how I'm squeezing that, nothing's happening. Nothing wrong with this intercooler hose, it's completely fine, but it's changing that for a bit of preventative maintenance, okay? But you squeeze that and you can see all these surface cracks starting to appear until eventually it blows a hole in that intercooler hose. And that's why we're changing them over to the silicone. Or this is a warranty thing too, so you can get it done by warranty, yeah? All right, let's get the other side hose off. All right. There's your other one off. Once again, clean up the oil around it, because there will be oil inside there. That's completely normal. Here is the old ones compared to the new ones, so you can see the difference between them. Super rubber, nice silicone. Yeah, it's beautiful. Now I don't know why, I believe that's a silicone hose from factory, so I don't know why they didn't run both of them silicone like that, and why did they even need to do a rubber one at all, or whatever it's made out of. Not good. Savage Tech, good. These are the old clamps, but look at that. Look at this old crappy clamp. Very basic clamp, they've been around for a long time. They do work, but they're nowhere near as good as these Mad Dogs, right? With a proper big clamping system. These ones, lots better. Anyway, let's fit. Alright, get your new clamp, slide it over, make sure you put it on whichever way you want to tighten it, which I'd probably want it that way. You've got this side here, leave it as it is. We'll push it down and it will just clip. So down here you have that little locator just there. Locates with the top of that pipe. Do not move this clamp, just leave it as it sits. You slide it on, give it a jimmy, and it will just clip on. That's it. See, it's clipped. That's it, that's how that one works. Okay, that one's on. Now we're going to come to the other side and we're going to squeeze this pipe onto that pipe. So what I've done is, this is off the old hose. It's because it sits so close to the alternator there. I decided I'll reuse that little rubber piece just to make sure it never hits the alternator. Yeah. There's no instructions or anything with this, so I'm assuming that we should swap that over. Otherwise, it did sit pretty high. I just wanted to be safe. Obviously, I'm putting this on a customer's car, so I just want to be safe with that and not have to worry about anything. All right, it needs a big push. It's a tight fit. Shake and push. Make sure you put your clamp on first. Don't forget to put your clamp on. And then get to this bit and be like, oh, I don't know what's going on. There you have it. So we get that clamp into a nice spot. I'll tighten that up. I'm going to get my top hose. All right, so what I've figured out is the longer side goes down to the intercooler. The shorter side goes up to your turbo hose. So I'll pop one clamp on. Another clamp on facing those ways that I chose. Shoved it down there. We're going to put the top one on. Done. That's it in there like that. Then the bottom one. Show you how easy that is. Ready? Bottom one. Line it up with your one hand. Because you're silly, you're making a video of it. Look at that, one-handed. Alright, top one is nice and tight. Beautiful. Let's do the other one. You have it. New intercooler hose, hot side. You've seen the one over there, cold side, looking beautiful. There you go. Put the engine cover back on. Alright, engine cover back on. Boom. There you go. Job done. Alright, cheers for watching that little install. Get your intercooler hoses from Savage Tech Off-Road. Sorry we haven't been camping yet, guys. For anybody who's interested in that side, the weather was shocking. Now it's during the week again. Beautiful days, absolutely stunning days. And we're back at work. Alright, so hopefully we'll be camping in another 2 or 3 weeks for those that are interested. Alright, that's the Savage Tech intercooler hoses. See you later. Thank you.